What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Vasil Garage up in here. And today, as you can see, I'm wearing a damn JDI hat and some JDI sunglasses. And today, what I want to talk to you guys about is this JDI wireless plug-and-play radio for my 1995 Honda DelSlow SI. It's a little tricked out. I'm sure if you watch my channel, you already know it's got a built K20 engine in it, built tranny, you know, big brake kit and all the goodies. But today, I'm going to show you guys how to get one of these guys installed in your car, which is, I don't really have to show you much because it's pretty simple. All you gotta plug is in your plug radio, and you gotta get this guy installed somewhere in there where actually it's not gonna dangle around and, you know, it's not gonna really interfere with anything. As you can tell, I got a K-series swap in here, and I got a Ktuned shifter, and also, not only that I run a, I also have the a JDI push start, which that's awesome. So the factory radio will go in here, but since I got the shifter, you cannot really get a radio because you can put this guy down. So all I gotta do is just remove this panel right here and get to the plug, and then secure this guy in there somewhere, and then that's all it takes. So yeah, shout out to JDI, and let's get to it. So we got the dang ghost box up in here, and we gotta remove this panel real quick. So we got two screws, one here and one here, which I don't think I put the other ones right here. It's got one right here too, but I didn't put those on because I knew I was gonna work on this. So don't judge me, even though I beast mode this car quite a bit. Now you can probably just kind of pry that little radio deal right here, but I don't want to kind of rig it up, you know what I mean? And then we gotta take, I forgot, we gotta take the console, which is this guy right here. So move this camera a little bit this way so I don't hit it. I am gonna have to run in town in a bit here so I can watch my brother-in-law, and there is some screws on this guy as well. There's one here. Yeah, you gotta remove the whole shebang to get to that part, but so you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? This is on a DelSlow, but you know, if you have a and then it's got a screw here and it's got a screw on the bottom here, but I didn't install the screws because, you know, for that reason. You see that? And you can just kind of slide this a little bit out of the way, and slide this guy a little bit out of the way, and slide this guy a little bit out of the way. And you got to be careful when you move this part, this piece, that you don't, you want to make sure that you don't scratch the part of the, what do you call it, the dashboard. So just kind of take your time with it, you know what I mean, when you pop it out and stuff, you know. I've been a little lazy, come in a hurry, and I'm just, you know, doing a little bit sideways work. I'm not being a very good, I'm not living a very good example of how to do this. And then with this, you know, older cars, really got to watch out too, because, you know, if you break this clips and stuff like that, you know, you got to keep in mind that this DelSlow that I have here, it's got the no, I sound like a girl right now. I sound like my daughter, you know. That's what she does when she gets frustrated, you know. But I could easily just flop this guy down. Come on, come on. So that's what happens when you get irritated, you know what I mean? You just going backwards on your things, you know? And honestly, like, this thing, you see that? There you go. It's got a plug right here for your cigarette lighter. You're gonna plug that. Sit this guy down here. And now you have free, lots of space and crap, you know. But you gotta be very careful with this guy, because it's just, there you go. You know, I don't know why they made it so sort of complicated, you know. Okay, now so I'm kind of changing the camera around. So now you're looking for the plug for the radio. So you got your ghost box right here. See that? And you're looking for the radio, which is, that's your plug radio right there. And excuse me, guys, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, these allergies are killing me right now. Sorry. Well, guys, here's the box from JDI. It's very simple. I pulled the plastics in the console apart. It's plug and play. That's all it is. I do have this guy right here, which is my key, because I do have the push start. You know what I mean? And I do have the key. See that? From JDI. And then I press the button. See how the light comes on? And the ignition will come on, as you can tell. And then I go to my phone. Oh, you heard it? Oh, isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? Yeah, I already linked up. I didn't even have to touch anything. Simple as that. And they can put the volume up. Through the conversations they had till 4 AM, you say you want something different. Hey, want something different. Whoa. And I know I haven't been perfect, but give us some time. Ignition's off. Now I just gotta go back in there and button it up, close everything up, and that's all that is. Right? Just plug and play. I mean, you cannot get any more simple than that. So shout out to JDI, you guys are awesome. Much love. Simple install.